Legends of Learning presents the Datalien Factory game.
Level 1.
This is a math game that makes learning about working with data in up to 3 categories fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, you are working in the Datalien factory. Your job is to oversee the creation of new electronic products from the electronic scrap collected.
Level 1 complete.
Be quick, as the factory will continue to deliver the required amount of scrap for you to inspect. But do not worry, you will be able to use your data skills to get through the job. Use the mouse to click and drag the collector to pick up all the falling components. Move the collector to the left and to the right to collect all the parts to build the devices. After collecting the parts, you will use the green lever and pull the lever when the correct number is displayed to answer the math question correctly. Use your math skills to complete all the levels to win the game.
What is the total of
Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.
Level 3 complete.